Okay guys, so here we are having our AC air conditioner, and this AC is only having this fan which is working. This thing is working, but this is not working, I think so. And let's look outside what the things going on, and we can see stuff there. Okay, we've done some rolling up. Okay, rolling loud. Um, okay. So we just gonna have some fun because I'm going to play with with the guys which is there. So um, let's go. Okay. Now we need to pause on the video because my brother has come in this. So, okay, now he's left out with this place. So, anyways, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh.